Welcome to the fascinating realm of wooden crafts, where creativity meets craftsmanship and sustainability intertwines with artistry. In a world increasingly dominated by mass production, handmade wooden items stand out for their unique character and timeless appeal. Each piece crafted from wood tells a story, reflecting the natural beauty of the material and the skill of the artisan. From intricate furniture designs to charming kitchenware and decorative art, wooden crafts offer a tangible connection to nature and tradition. This journey into woodworking not only allows artisans to express their creativity, but also creates opportunities for profitable ventures, fostering local economies and promoting sustainable practices. As we delve deeper into the world of wooden crafts, we will explore the diverse types of products that can be created, the techniques involved in the crafting process, and the growing market demand for handmade items. The crafting process is not just about making things. It's about honing skills, embracing sustainable practices, and connecting with a community of like-minded individuals. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or a curious beginner, this exploration will inspire you to appreciate the artistry behind wooden crafts and perhaps even embark on your own creative journey. Together, let's uncover the beauty, challenges, and rewards of crafting with wood and discover how these timeless creations can bring joy and profitability into our lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the enchanting world of wooden crafts. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights into the artistry, techniques, and potential for profit in creating beautiful wooden items. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue exploring more about woodworking, craftsmanship, and sustainable practices, please stay tuned until the end. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Like this video to show your appreciation and share it with your friends and fellow craft enthusiasts. By doing so, you're helping to build a community that values creativity and craftsmanship, and we can't wait to share more exciting projects and ideas with you in the future. Wooden crafts have a rich history that transcends cultures and time periods. They encompass a wide array of items, from practical tools to intricate art pieces. The beauty of wood lies not only in its natural aesthetics, but also in its tactile qualities and durability. Today, there's a resurgence in appreciation for handcrafted wooden items, as consumers seek authenticity and uniqueness in their purchases. The act of crafting with wood allows artisans to express their creativity while preserving traditional techniques and contributing to sustainable practices. Types of wooden crafts. The variety of wooden crafts is immense, catering to different tastes and needs. Furniture such as tables, chairs, and shelves can be crafted to fit any style, from modern to rustic. Kitchenware, including bowls, spoons, and cutting boards, balances functionality with beauty, making them popular for both personal use and gifts. Toys crafted from wood, such as blocks and puzzles, are cherished for their durability and safety, appealing to parents who value non-toxic materials. Decorative items, including sculptures and wall art, allow artisans to showcase their creativity and craftsmanship. Benefits of using local wood. Local wood sources provide numerous benefits that extend beyond economic factors. Using wood from nearby forests minimizes carbon footprints associated with transportation, which is increasingly important for environmentally conscious consumers. Additionally, local wood often has unique characteristics, such as grain patterns and colors, which can add distinctiveness to crafts. Supporting local forestry initiatives can also encourage sustainable practices, ensuring that future generations can enjoy these natural resources. This commitment to local sourcing fosters a sense of community and connection between artisans and their environment. The crafting process. The crafting process is an art form that requires patience and precision. It begins with selecting the right type of wood, considering factors like grain, hardness, and moisture content. which can significantly affect the final product. Once the wood is chosen, artisans sketch designs, often experimenting with shapes and styles before committing to the final version. Cutting and shaping the wood involves a mix of hand and power tools, each requiring skill to achieve accuracy. Sanding is crucial for creating smooth surfaces, while finishing techniques, such as staining or varnishing, enhance both the appearance and durability of the crafts. Tools and equipment. The right tools are vital for successful woodworking. Basic hand tools like chisels, handsaws, and hammers form the foundation of many projects. Power tools, such as table saws, routers, and sanders, can significantly speed up the crafting process and allow for more intricate designs. Investing in quality tools can save time and frustration, making the crafting experience more enjoyable. Additionally, maintaining tools through regular cleaning and sharpening ensures they perform optimally, which is crucial for producing high-quality crafts. Skill development. Developing woodworking skills is an ongoing journey that combines practice and learning. Many artisans start with simple projects, gradually taking on more complex challenges as their confidence grows. Workshops, online courses, and tutorials provide valuable resources for learning new techniques and gaining insights from experienced craftsmen. Joining local woodworking clubs or attending craft fairs can also facilitate skill development through collaboration and feedback. This continuous learning process not only enhances craftsmanship, but also fosters a deeper appreciation for the art of woodworking. Market demand. The demand for handmade wooden crafts has surged in recent years, driven by a growing consumer preference for unique, artisanal products. Many people are drawn to the story behind handmade items, valuing the craftsmanship and care that goes into each piece. Trends such as minimalism and eco-friendly living further fuel interest in wooden crafts, as they often align with consumers' values. Craft fairs, online marketplaces, and social media platforms present opportunities for artisans to reach a wider audience, allowing them to showcase their work and connect with potential buyers. Market demand. The demand for handmade wooden crafts has surged in recent years, driven by a growing consumer preference for unique, artisanal products. Many people are drawn to the story behind handmade items, valuing the craftsmanship and care that goes into each piece. Trends such as minimalism and eco-friendly living further fuel interest in wooden crafts, as they often align with consumers' values. Craft fairs, online marketplaces, and social media platforms present opportunities for artisans to reach a wider audience, allowing them to showcase their work and connect with potential buyers. Marketing and promotion. Effective marketing is crucial for reaching potential customers and building a brand identity. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are particularly effective for showcasing visual products like wooden crafts. Creating a professional website can serve as a central hub for sales, showcasing product offerings and sharing the story behind the brand. Engaging with customers through blogs or newsletters can help build a loyal following. Participating in craft fairs and local markets allows artisans to connect with their community and gain valuable feedback. Customization and personalization. Offering customization can significantly enhance the appeal of wooden crafts. Personalized items, such as engraved names or custom designs, create a unique connection between the product and the customer. This added value can justify higher pricing and foster customer loyalty, as individuals are more likely to return to a brand that offers personalized experiences. Additionally, artisans can leverage social media to showcase custom orders, inspiring potential customers to envision their own unique creations. Sustainability practices. Incorporating sustainability into woodworking practices is increasingly important to modern consumers. Artisans can prioritize using reclaimed wood, which not only reduces waste, but also adds a unique character to each piece. Choosing eco-friendly finishes and adhesives ensures that the final products are safe for both customers and the environment. Promoting these sustainable practices can differentiate a brand in a crowded marketplace, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers who are willing to invest in responsibly made products. Challenges faced. While crafting wooden items can be rewarding, artisans often encounter challenges. Sourcing quality wood can be difficult, especially in areas where sustainable forestry practices are not prioritized. Time management is another common issue, as crafting can be time-intensive and balancing production with marketing and sales can be overwhelming. Competition for mass-produced goods poses an ongoing challenge, requiring artisans to continuously innovate and differentiate their products. Building a strong brand presence and cultivating a loyal customer base can help overcome these obstacles. Expanding product lines. As artisans gain experience, they may consider expanding their product lines to increase profitability. This could involve branching into related crafts, such as wooden decor or garden items, or experimenting with different wood types and techniques. Diversifying product offerings can attract new customers and tap into various market segments. Seasonal items, such as holiday decorations or gifts, can also boost sales during peak times. By continually evolving their product lines, artisans can maintain interest and relevance in the market. Building a community. Creating a community around wooden crafts can provide support and encouragement for artisans. Engaging with fellow crafters through workshops, online forums, or local events fosters collaboration and knowledge sharing. Building relationships with customers can create a loyal following and encourage word-of-mouth marketing. Collaborating with local businesses, such as home decor stores or cafes, can also enhance visibility and provide additional sales opportunities. This sense of community can enhance the overall crafting experience and contribute to long-term success. Wooden crafts made from accessible wood resources represent a unique blend of art, sustainability, and entrepreneurship. By embracing local materials, honing their skills, and effectively marketing their products, artisans can thrive in this rewarding field. The journey of crafting wooden items not only allows for personal expression, but also fosters connections with customers and the community. As the demand for handmade goods continues to rise, artisans have a significant opportunity to turn their passion into a profitable venture, enriching their lives and those of their customers through the beauty of wood. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found it both informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting updates, liking the video to help us reach a wider audience, and sharing it with friends and fellow enthusiasts. Your engagement helps us grow our community and continue bringing you valuable insights into the world of wooden crafts. We look forward to sharing more with you soon.